Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed in a really long time. I genuinely just haven't had time, or whenever I do have time, I'm not here, like, you know, in my college dorm, my apartment, but rather with my family. So I haven't been able to sit down and film a video for you guys. Anyways, in today's video talking about college, I thought I would show you guys what my dorm looks like, even though I technically don't live in a dorm, but it's a student-based apartment, like a student living kind of like complex. So I do have roommates. I live with one of my best friends and then two other people. We each have our own rooms, our own bathrooms, and we share the kitchen and the living room and, you know, that stuff. I am planning on moving out at the end of this semester, and I'm gonna start fall in another apartment, but I'll get into that in another video. I have story time for you guys, but anyways, I guess I'll just show you guys what my room looks like right now. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so that's Natalia's room. So that's Natalia's room. And then that's my room. Just ignore that. I think it's the light. I don't know. So as soon as you walk into my room, yes, the floors are carpeted. I have not cleaned them. I'm sorry. I have my little nightstand. I have my Bible because, you know, your girl trying to repel ghosts. But yeah, I have my nightstand with, you know, a few pictures. I have a couple books down there that don't fit on my actual bookshelf. My bed, of course. That boy. She's kind of tall. Underneath I don't really have anything except, you know, my water bottles over there. I have that little, I think it's like a tapestry. I blanked out, but I have that on that wall, and then behind me I have a couple of pictures, and then I have that there as well. Right behind the door I have, you know, just a few school medals. I have a picture with me and my two best friends, and, you know, the year I graduated. I have a few Polaroids there. I have necklaces hanging on each side because I don't know where to stick them, and I have also a guitar that I never learned how to play. I have my dresser as well. Obviously, you know, I just keep all my, you know, my PJs, my stuff. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but my dresser actually, along that line, it's kind of like divides. Like I can take it off and make it like, I can put the top part over there, or I can separate them and stick them under the bed because they will fit. And I did that for a while, and then I realized my room looked really empty, so I put it back up there. I have two candles on the dresser. I have my speakers. I got Harry and Ron. I don't know if you guys have seen my old videos. I used to have them on my other desk, but I actually moved them because I think they look cuter here. So I have Harry, Ron, you know, I have my old-fashioned glasses, which I use whenever I don't feel like using the other ones. I find this corner kind of ironic because my favorite color is actually but it's not doing it in person. Whoa. My favorite color is actually purple, and for some reason as you guys can see, my whole room is pink. But yeah, I just have a little purse on the back. I have some perfumes. Okay, I turned off the light. Straight ahead, I have the closet. To my right, there's my bathroom. What's good? My closet is actually a walk-in closet. I haven't done my laundry, so we're not gonna focus on like the right corner. But yeah, I have like my shoes on this side, like in the bottom. I have a robe there in the back, and then here on this side is like all my clothes. I have a bunch of bags and towels in the top. You know, nothing special. Straight ahead, I have like this little kind of like bookshelf kind of thing, and in the top I have all of my perfumes, my lotions, my splashes, hand sanitizers, you know, you name it. Yeah. And here in the shelf right underneath it, I have some glasses. I have just like this little carton. It's empty. The books are actually outside. I have some nail polishes there, which I don't As you guys can tell, I don't really use a lotion, which shouldn't be here. I keep like my jewelry in there and also down there. But yeah, that's this shelf. And in this one I have like, you know, the little box for the camera that I film with, that Coke bottle that I got when I went to Atlanta. Down here is where I like to hide all my drugs, my liquor, my obviously kidding. I have a bunch of kitchen stuff down there, which is kind of ugly, so that's why I have it covered. That's pretty much my closet. So I have my mirror, which I'm not gonna stand in front of because I will be setting myself up. And then right in front of my bed is my most prized possession. It's my bookshelf. I have all of my books there. I have not read all of them. Pretty self-explanatory. I love reading. Okay, and there's my window. And then that's Natalia's bathroom. I have my lamp on, so I don't want you guys to be blinded by the light. But yeah, this is my little corner. I don't know if you guys can tell from my videos. What's poppin'? This is like my little study desk. And underneath my study desk, I have like all my school supplies, you know, my book bags, my computer charger, I have the chair, a really nasty trash can with water bottles, obviously, and then just like film equipment and makeup in the back. I study here, I do my homework here when I don't do it in my bed, obviously. I don't know why I do my homework mostly in my bed than on the actual desk. There's a cute little basket that my older sister made for me this past weekend. College survival basket or whatever. That was super cute. I don't even want to touch it. I have like paper clips, stapler, tape, all that in that corner. I have my computer. I have me and Natalia's shopping list. Gotta stay hydrated. And then, as you guys saw, I have my makeup corner. If you guys have not seen my makeup collection, oh, that's bothering me. Okay, if you guys haven't seen my makeup collection tour, I'm gonna have that linked down in the description box, and I'll put it up somewhere in the screen. But yeah, this is my little makeup corner. I do my makeup there almost every day. And then right above like my little study area, I just have my little painting slash drawing that I did last year. It's really empty. I've been meaning to put up the rest of like my artwork that I did last year in my art class, but I haven't gotten to it because I haven't had time, and when I have time I'm just too lazy. But yeah, this is my home. I'm very happy to call it mine, even though I'm moving out. But like I said, that'll be in another video very soon. Make sure you watch it. But yeah, that's pretty much my room. So that was my room. I hope you guys liked my video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And once again, I apologize for not posting at all last week. I'll try to be consistent with posting. I've been really busy. I did start working, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next video, which hopefully is next Tuesday. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.